Yes. Yes.
Welcome to Chillin with the Chisholms. In this video, you're going to get to see the very first part of our new cooking segment called Kickin in the Kitchen. So we're very excited about that, and we hope you enjoy it and have fun watching us cook. So stay tuned.
So these are the burgers that we're going to be cooking. These are the buns, the pickles, the ketchup, the mustard, the mayo, the cheese, and the tomatoes. As you can see, we are a fan of the great value. So let's get into it.
So I put my eye on like 6. It's gonna get nice and hot.
I wonder how hot is like 6. I'm just saying.
It's gonna get hot enough.
She doing the cooking tutorial like she do the hair tutorial.
We got new packaging here. Okay, that's nice.
Right, they ain't never come in the plastic like that.
If you are following along, make sure you wash your hands.
Wash them hands.
I like to use this big pan here so that I can cook several at a time. Get my handy dandy spatula, and I'm going to go ahead and start seasoning, and I'll show you all what I'm using. So we got some parsley. I'm gonna go in with some garlic powder.
Yes.
We need a lot of garlic powder so our hair don't fall out.
Wow.
This is chili powder. We need some pepper.
Always. This one for them folks that say salt and pepper is not seasoning.
Then we need some basil. Then we need some Italian seasoning.
Yes.
And if y'all don't eat all this, y'all missing out. Alright, now that I have that side seasoned, I'm going to flip it over. And guess what? We're going to season the other side. Now, whether you let them thaw out first and then cook them, that's your business, but you technically don't have to with the particular brand that we use. That's just more time that you have to wait, and I'm trying to eat right now.
So hungry. She got me holding the camera.
You ain't cooking.
Because I'm holding the camera.
Oh, okay. That's why. Alright, so we're just going to let these sit here and simmer and get all nice and cooked while we go over here and prepare the tomatoes, cheese, and bread, and all that good stuff. Alright, so I'm going to grab some plates. Why are you laughing?
Because they need to see you do this.
Yes,
everybody got plates at the house.
Jarel, yes they do.
Right next to the Tylenol and the medicines.
They know people have colds. They know what season it is. Now, I wanted to show y'all these plates because I know how some people hate to see people food on paper plates.
We ain't got paper plates. We got styrofoam plates. Big difference.
You know what I mean.
Big difference. I ain't trying to make no dishes. Shout out to all them folks that's not trying to make no dishes.
It's a lot of people out there that have issues with people posting pictures of their food on styrofoam and paper plates. So for the video purposes, we're just going to use some real plates so nobody, don't get offended.
It's a whole lot of people in the world that's cool with styrofoam plates because they don't want to make no dishes. So we should use styrofoam plates.
Alright, so I have my bread laid out nicely. And first I'm going to take some of our great value cheese.
Yes.
Which I hope it don't taste.
Great value.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to open it up and y'all know how to do all this, I hope.
Right. If you don't, you watching the wrong video.
This is
or maybe you watching the right video.
This is going to be Mr. Chisholm's plate. He's going to have 2 burgers, and I'm going to have a double cheeseburger.
Oh, of course. See, you making this stuff up as you go. I want a double cheeseburger. But nah, you talking about how you want yours. You want 1 burger or 2 burgers?
You didn't ask for a double cheeseburger. I asked you how you want it.
You over here making a Davies double with cheese and stuff. Trying to be funny. Okay. It's alright. I want my 2 burgers.
I don't need that much bread.
Okay.
Make sure y'all watch my weight loss videos. While I was preparing the bread, I heard my burger is sizzling. So you want to make sure you keep an eye on all of that. So at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and flip them over. This side is not completely done, but because we have that seasoning on the other side that has not gotten any heat, I just want to go ahead and flip them over so that seasoning can, go ahead and bake in there and cook in there really good. You want mayo?
No.
Okay. No mayo today. Ketchup?
No mayo ever.
Ketchup?
Yeah, ketchup.
Mustard?
Yeah, ketchup and mustard and pickles.
All right.
And
you want
tomatoes? Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to get out a tomato, and this is what they look like. They look very, they look all right.
They did look all right from the back. Right.
What do I want to cut this on?
Another plate.
Let's get another plate.
Folks always making dishes.
All right, I'm gonna rinse this off just because I just feel like I need to. And then I'm going to start cutting from here.
Slash. Yeah, we don't keep no sharp objects in here. Just so y'all know, that's why we cut with a butter knife. Slash.
It's getting the job done, though.
Yeah, it's doing a little something.
If I can cut with this, imagine what I could do with a shown up knife.
That's exactly why they right there at Walmart and not in this house. I'm about to imagine what I could do. Smelling almost ready.
So at this point, I'm going to flip them again.
Yeah, if y'all didn't notice before, we didn't have lettuce on our table of utensils, or I guess ingredients, because of the recent lettuce recall. And when I went to get the lettuce, it was from a suspect place.
We got salad?
We got salad.
Oh, we're going to put salad on there then.
Alright. What y'all think? Okay, I don't think that one's done, but this one, yeah. What about you?
Let some of the grease drip off of there a little bit. And we're going to seat it right on the cheese. And I'll put the cheese like that. Then I'll take the other one and sit it on top. Just like that. You want to make sure you turn the eye off. Now let's go back over here and finish preparing.
I don't want them to see my plate no more.
Alright, so.
We used the old busted ketchup, and look what happened. It fell all on the plate, man, and the mustard. I got it all on my shirt, my legs.
No, you didn't. Alright, so we're just going to add some ketchup to the rest of Mr. Chisholm food. And some on mine.
You know I want to get it right there.
Alright, now I'm going to go in with some mustard.
That's a lot even for me.
And I like mustard, you guys.
Yes, you do.
So, put a tomato right there.
Oh, appreciate. Yum.
Ooh. For my burger, I'm going to put a piece of tomato in between here.
Ooh, I missed it. It's alright. She put the tomato in between like that. Yes. This John looking like the cardboard stuff Jones that be on the pictures at McDonald's and stuff.
You're about to get fired. Alright, now we're going to go into our pickles.
Yes. You got a fork? She opened it on the first try, y'all. You know folks can't open pickle jars.
I can open pickle jars.
That's right. When she opened the pickle jar on the first try. Marry her.
That was cute. Alright, so we're just going to put some pickles over here. Mr. Chisholm like pickles, so we're going to make sure we give him a nice little...
Yeah. Alright, that's good.
That's good for you. Alright. For my sandwich, I'm going to put my pickles over here to get some mustard on them. And my sandwich has a lot more layers than Mr. Chisholm's sandwich. So your ketchup and your mustard will kind of help keep your layers together. Now we're going to go in with some lettuce. Well, some salad or whatever you want to call it. And we're just going to put that on there.
Right. Yes. Oh, you juked me out. Say you didn't juke me. I thought you was about to put some on your plate.
You doing your stuff first.
They gonna be like, yeah, I'll be eating the lettuce stems too. Like it's a salad. It came from the salad. So we just throw it on there just like that. But then look, there got her the real lettuce. Look, lettuce pieces that actually look like they go on the burger. My junks, nah, they look like they came straight off the OG salad.
I'm just getting lettuce out the bag, putting it on the burger.
Look at that. Look at this sandwich. It's like the sandwich is Shaggy eating one bite on Scooby-Doo. That junk so big. Tall burger.
Don't talk about my salad. I mean my sandwich.
Don't talk about my salad. You gotta do like a little zoom in on the jump and bring it back out. Made with 11 herbs and spices, 17 different kinds of seasoning, tomatoes, pickles, lettuce, mayo, cheese. This is a Chisholm original double burger with cheese. And these just... Where this tomato came from? It's the end.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. Single burger with cheese. Two,
All right.
to be exact.
To go with our burgers, we're gonna accompany them with some chips.
Oh man, look at my mustard, dude.
You want some of the new bag of chips? Or
I'll
you
take
want the
those.
old bag?
That's fine.
We like Great Value chips as well.
We like the blue bag, but they was out today, so we got the red one.
We are not sponsored by Great Value, but
We might as well be.
y'all hit us up.
Right. Oh, for real. Oh, it was almost out. The bottom of the bag. Look at all them chips. They gonna be like, what in the world?
Now, where the new bag of chips at?
It's up in the cabinet.
This is the new bag.
Wavy. See how she do me on? The scraps. And then watch her chips come out. Look at these chips. Fresh out the box. Perfectly shaken. Look at my chips. It's like somebody came and body slammed my bag of chips. Then they was like, oh, here you go. Pour them on the plate. It be like that sometimes, I guess.
All right, so there you have it. Our burgers. They are going to be amazing. So we will let you know how they taste.
We just came back to say that those burgers were delicious.
Yes.
I mean, amazing. Like,
I
could have
did
been.
that.
You did. She did that. They could have been on their own commercial. Starring with the hand model eating the burger. Or whatever. However it go. But instead, they was in our house. For us to eat. To enjoy. Delicious. Well seasoned. Wonderfully made burgers.
By me.
But yeah, if you like Chillin' with the Chisholms, definitely like, comment, and or subscribe. In the comment box below, go ahead and drop a comment about some other foods y'all would like oodles and noodles. I like oodles and noodles. Or like steak. Or like lamb. Or like
You better be cooking all that. If you enjoyed Kicking It in the Kitchen, make sure you tune in again for some more Kicking It in the Kitchen episodes. See you guys in the next video.